I am sharing my screen now.
Sir, I watched the video of this.
Very good, beta. Video has to be watched.
Sir,
कौन आ गया? विहान बार बार क्यों ड्रॉप हो रहा है बेटा? चलो ठीक है. So few rounding I have already done in the last class. So I am doing it for you also, right? So rounding is nearest zero. Now suppose if I am writing here, just focus here, right? If I write this number, okay. Can you call this a number as a x? Can be anything, any digit from 0 to 9, it can be anything. How can you tell this is a rounding number?
if in the end it's zero.
Correct. If it is ending with 0, it is called as rounding number. There are multiple rounding also. When we do the decimal, you will also get the rounding with a non-zero number rounding. But right now, it is a rounding with 0. Number ending with anything number which is ending with 0. Now, it is also called as estimation, right? Now, why it is estimation? Why only 0 is taken?
Because
Suppose
it
if
becomes easy.
it becomes easy. When I say 40 plus 30, it is very easy, 70. But if I say 39 and 28, it is difficult, right?
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
To do this, it's a difficult one because it is carry over anything. Here you don't have anything. So that is why it is called as. एक मिनट. Hello? Yeah? हाँ हाँ ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हाँ यही करा रहा हूँ. हाँ चलेगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. If she knows already, then because it is whatever we have done, I'm doing it here right now. ओके ठीक है, ठीक, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ठीक. Correct. So estimation. Suppose you want to go for a movie, okay, with your friend. Okay. Suppose you and your friend only going for a movie. So you ask money from your mom, right? So how much money you will ask for a go for a movie? You want to buy a ticket. You want to have some snacks there. So how much money you will ask? चलो फटाफट अब नहीं.
500 to 900.
नहीं, एक एक नंबर बताओ, एक नंबर.
700. 700.
700.
900.
900.
7,000.
7,000. Where are you going, beta? Are you going to America? 7,000 for a one movie with a friend.
1,700.
1,700. 7,000. 600. Anything more?
800.
800. Right? Now see,
5,000.
did anybody tell me 1,249 rupees? Anybody says 872 rupees? Anybody says 945 rupees? No, right?
Sir, I
Everybody,
told.
everybody got the number which are rounding number, right? What you told? What you told? What you told?
I told that 945.
Who says?
Vidhi.
Vidhi, 945. Now explain me how you are getting, how did you reach to this number? Tell me what are the cost of ticket?
Cost of ticket, it can be 945, 950.
No, it can be not. That is why we estimate, right? When you
Yes.
give me the exact number, I will ask you why, how you get to this number, right? 1,000 or 900, it is okay, right? Because then it is something you don't get the change here, right? So you go to rickshaw, okay, you go to ticket, you buy some snack, you don't know what is going to be, what you want to eat there, right? You want to eat popcorn, you want to eat nachos, you want to eat sandwich, or what is the cost of the ticket also you don't know. You know how much you're going to rickshaw cost, right? You have you have approximate idea that rickshaw will cost me 50 rupees. But it can be 52 also, it can be 47 also, right? You have approximately idea. Or it can be also 54, it can be also 48, right? It can be anything, right? But approximately you know okay, how much it will be. right? So you just estimate this, say 50 rupees rickshaw coming and going, plus 200 rupees ticket for each, plus 150 rupees for a snack, right? So this is how you calculate. It can be 150, it can be 200, it can be 150 ticket also, it can be 175 ticket also, right? So you estimate and the estimate becomes your task easier, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now when you say, suppose there are 2,487 students in a school, someone asks how many students in the school. So we say 2,500, right? Because some student come, some student don't come, right? Or there are some students, so it is very easy to communicate. Now we have rounded for the nearest 100. Now there are how many types of rounding are there? There are three types of rounding. How many?
3 types.
Which are the three types?
Round up, round down, and rounding.
Very good. There are three types of rounding. Round up, that is round down, and this is rounding. Now this is what? This is daddy's boy or daddy's girl. It goes to daddy. This is mama's boy or mama's girl, and this is lazy like me, right? I am very lazy, right? So what do you do? You have to say 38. Who is the mama and who is the daddy? Rounding to 10.
30 and 40.
30 and 40. Right? So when I say mama's boy will go what? Mama's girl will go towards 30. This is your mama. And this is your daddy. Right? So mama's boy will go wherever it is always go to downside. Mama's boy and mama's girl. And this is papa's daughter and papa's boy. Right? So it will go to always papa. When they say lazy will always go with the nearest one, right? So 38 say 40 is the nearest one. So what is the nearest? How do you decide? So 0, 1, 2, 3. There are how many digits are there?
There are 10
10
9.
digits, right? So 0 is already rounding number. You have adult digit 1, 2, 3, 4. They are child digit and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are adult digit. So if it is adult digit, this will go always on the upside. This will go on the downside. Correct?
Yes.
Because it is very near to them. 5 also at the midway, but 5 will go on to all the upper side. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now whenever you want to rounding, for example, okay, I'm writing one number 381,749. Okay. If I want to round this number to nearest 100, what exactly you want? You want to
381.
see, listen. Listen my question first. Don't jump to the answer. Okay. Now you want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? This can be, I'm just removing this number. It is not important for me, right? Chalo. Out. Ho gaya khatam. Now if I want to round it to 0, what do you need to do? I want to round it to nearest 100. I want to round it to nearest 10. I want to nearest 10,000. I want to round to nearest 1,000. So what exactly you want? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 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 Right? Chalo. So what exactly you want? What is the minimum thing what you want to put it so that you understand it is rounded to the given number which is asked for? Yeah. Tell me who is going to answer? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, who is that? किसका हाथ रेज हुआ है? दिख ही नहीं रहा है मेरे को. हाँ. Okay, Adya first.
Sir,
Tell me only one. Rounded to 100. क्या करोगी? How do you confirm that this is rounded to 100?
first I will check the.
नहीं चेक वेक नहीं करने का. How do you know this number is rounded to 100? उतना बता. First क्या चेक करने का बात की बात है.
Sir, I didn't understand.
If you want to wait. कौन? Who is not understanding?
Adya.
Adya.
Sir,
Okay, listen very carefully. I want this number, any number. This can be any number, right? I don't know the numbers, right?
Yeah.
How you can make sure this answer, whatever you're writing, is rounded to 100, 10,000 or 10,000, whichever is given. How can you make sure? Adya, how do you, if I write something here, how do you make sure that, yes, this is rounded to 100?
By, if it is rounding to 100, it should have 2 zeros.
2 zeros where?
At the last.
पूरा बनाओ. right? It has to have 2 zeros here, right? It will become a, you will understand this is rounded to 100. For rounded to 10, Avni?
When rounded to 10,
Zero.
the last one digit should be 0.
0, correct. Okay, Ivan, rounded to 10,000?
And rounded to 10,000, the last 4 digits should be 0.
Correct. Last 4 digits should be 0. Now rounded to 1,000. Okay, who, Mishka?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Vihan, I can't hear you, beta. Your mic is off. Vihan, your mic is disabled. Enable the mic. Vihan. Vihan. एक मिनट है, मैं विहान का करता हूँ उसको. You will not be able to hear me out also.
Last 3 digits should be 0.
Correct. कौन बोला ये? Who said?
Sir,
Who-
last 3 digits should be 0.
Who said this?
Sir, we have.
विहान बोला. विहान का माइक ठीक हो गया?
Sir, no, the first one, I think somebody else said, and then the voice that was coming a little.
Wait. Don't comment. विहान.
हाँ सर, मैं दूसरे डिवाइस से बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, दूसरे डिवाइस से बोल रहा है. ओके. 1, 2, 3. Correct? Is clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Now, what is the most important digit? Suppose you want to round it off. What is the most important digit? From where you start the zero making, that is the most important digit for you. After this, there is no relevance. This number, where you're making starting to 0, right? When you start making the 0 till the end, that digit is most important for you. Only you have to focus only on one digit. क्या करना है? Only one digit, right? Now I am going to tell you this. Chalo, suppose if I give you number 3, 8, 4, 7, 5, 9. Correct? I just give you this number. Now what do you want to round it to? Round it to, say, 1,000. Correct? So what you need to do? When you do this, you put 1, 2, 3 zeros, right? Yes or no? Okay, now go here. 1, 2, and 3 0. What is the most important digit for you?
7.
This is irrelevant because ये तो already 0 हो गया. 7 is the most important. 7 is adult digit or this digit? Adult. So what is, whenever you have adult digit, you put 1, add here. It will become 5, 3, 8. Sorry. 5. Correct? This becomes your rounded to 1,000. Is it clear?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Who, beta?
No, neither did Nishika.
The Rasya, I didn't
Yeah.
understand.
Okay, chalo. I'll give you another number. Okay, you tell me this any digit number. Okay, you give me any digit number. Give me
Rasya,
number. Rasya, give me the digit, full number, 6-digit number. Give whatever you like.
5, 8, 9, 7, 6, 4.
Okay. Now what do you want to round it to?
1,000.
1,000. Okay. That means 1,000 is what? You will have 3 zeros at the end.
Yes.
Correct. So this is irrelevant. This is irrelevant. What comes here? 3 0. From where you start making zeros? It has to be 0 0 0 here, right?
Yes.
So from where you start making the zeros?
From 7.
7, right? So what
Yeah.
you do? You will put 1 here. Correct? So
Huh.
this is already 9. So what will 589 will become 1, 590. Correct? So I'm starting making 0 from here. When I give 1, because it is 7 is the adult digit, whatever is 5 or above, if the number is greater than 5 or above, it has to add 1 to previous digit. If it is 1 to 0 to 4, you don't need to add, you can ignore them, right? And just put it 0 0 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Mishka, one more number you give it.
4, 6, 8, 7, 2, 9.
Very good. So what do you want to round it to? Keep it something different than what is given 1000.
100.
100. Right? Chalo, 100. So 100 is how many zeros you want?
2.
Right? So 2 zeros coming here. From where it is starting from making 0? This is where, right?
Yes.
So what is the digit here?
2.
So what you need to do? It is adult or child digit?
Child.
So you just ignore them, right? Just put 2 zeros and keep the number as it is.
Okay.
That is done rounding. Clear?
Okay.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
So you have to focus only on
Adult digits.
only one digit from where you starting making zeros. Is it clear?
Yes. Sir, I have one more question.
Yes, tell me.
How do you identify adult and child numbers?
Very good. So how do you are a child or you are adult?
Child.
How do you identify? Okay, his mom is adult or a child?
Adult.
Your dad?
Adult.
Your cousin?
Child.
Your uncle?
Adult.
You have your grandfather?
Adult.
Grandmother?
Adult.
Very good. Your friend?
Child.
How do you identify, right?
By their age.
Very good. So what is the age? If it is 18, it is adult. Greater than 18, it is adult, right?
Yes.
And if it is less than 18, greater than equal to 18, it is adult or it is child, right? So here also, if it is greater than equal to 5, it is adult digit, right?
Okay.
And if it is less than 5, it is child.
Okay.
So 5 child, you don't have to take out. So all the numbers from 0 to 4, you don't have to do it. You just ignore them and put the zeros rounding way, right? If
Okay.
it is 5 greater than 5, then equal greater than 5 to 9, all have the adult digit. So you have to put 1 on the previous digit and then you round. Now why this is so, right? Somebody asked, sir, why it is so, right? So when I say 30 and 40, right? These are two borders of tens. Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the middle number? 35.
35.
Whatever comes in this area, which will go to 30, and whichever comes into this area, which will go to 40. Correct?
Yeah.
So including this 35 also will go here. Now we have another number, say 500 and 600, right? Which is the middle number? 550, right?
550.
So whatever comes from here to here, it will go to 600, and whatever comes before this, it will go. So it is 501 to 549 will go to 500, and 550 to 559, or it will go all to 600. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, we'll solve more of the question, you will come to know, right?
Okay,
It is same from the
While
1000.
solving, can you show the adult digits one again?
Yes, no problem. Adult digit is very simple. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are child digit. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That I understood, but how you did it?
You decide where to round it off. That is more important. You have to decide on what digit. Suppose you have rounded to 100. What exactly you want? You want last 2 zeros, right? Clear? Hai?
Huh.
So from the 0 when it start, you have to see that digit and you have to do it, right? Chalo, I'll give you an idea. I'll put it here, right?
The child digit, the child, some
Very
I
good. Chalo,
understood.
yeah. Okay. Chalo, suppose if I say this one, rounded to 1000, correct? Now just check this number. What is the number? I think we have done this once, right? हमने एक बार किया ना ये rounding?
Yes, sir, I think.
7, 8 through, right? Now how many? Because it is rounded to what? Nearest 1000. 1000, how many zeros you require? Correct? So this is irrelevant for me. What is the important is? This is where I start making it 0, right?
Yeah.
So what is that? This 8 is a child digit or an adult digit?
Adult.
So what you do? Add 1 to next previous number. So it will become 8000. Correct? Now if I give you this.
Oh, what do you mean by add one?
Okay, 7000. And here it is 8000, right? What is the center number here? 7500. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct, na? It is 1000, so 50, 500 here, 500 here. Now 7, 8, 3, 2, where it will come? It will come somewhere here. 7832, right?
Yes.
What is the nearest one?
800. 8,000.
Clear hai? Understood everyone?
Sir.
And this is a shortcut trick what I am showing you. Okay, if you want to round it off, how you can round it off to, right?
Yes.
Here, I'll just show you here. Little bit more when we solve, right? There are some question I kept it pending for you, right? Here, chalo. This one, yeah, chalo, rounding number here. See what I've done, rounding. Check this. What is the number? A, B, C, D. D, E, I kept it, right? What is the estimate is sum to nearest 100, right? So nearest 100 would be what? What is nearest 100 would be?
20.
2 zeros. Clear? So you have put it here. What is the nearest 100 would be?
दीदी क्लास चालू है.
What is nearest 100 would be? 5. You have to make this 0, right? Correct? Yeah?
Yeah.
So if I put this 0, what will happen? 5, 1. Because it is 3 the child 8, you make 0, 0, right? It is what? 1, 4, 0, 0. What is the answer will be? 6, 5, 0, 0. Correct? Is it clear? I rounded both the numbers to 100. What is the given, right? Estimate is sum for nearest 100. Also find the actual sum, right? What I did? Actual sum को round करेंगे. Actual sum में कितना होगा? What is the actual sum? It will be 6, 5,
0, 0.
4, 0. Correct? This is actual sum or not, right?
Yes.
Clear? This will be the actual sum, right? Here, what is the actual sum? You know how to solve this, right? Actual sum.
Yeah.
From left to right, you know? This is 7 or 8. 8, right? Why 8? Because on the right hand side, there is a carryover, right? Then you put this 6 plus 4, 10. 0, 1
0.
will be carried over.
Sir,
But
is it if we do it right to left?
you can do it. But I am teaching you left to right also, right? This will become 5 because on the right hand side, this will be carry, right?
0, 7.
This is 0 and it will be 7, right? If you do it left to right, it will be very easy for you to do it, right? Just try to do it. I'm not saying you should know, but you can do right to left also. I'm okay with it, right? Here, what is the actual one? 3.
3.
Then what is the
9.
next one? And because there is no carryover, right? On the right hand side.
Yeah.
9,
9, 3.
3. 3 will be what? Become 4 because on the right hand side there is a carry, right? This is on the right hand side. 8 plus 7, 15. Plus 1 is a carry, 16. And here it will be 12. Easy, hai?
Yeah.
Chalo. So now what you do is you need to find the rounding numbers, right? Rounding number, how will you find?
So,
5, 6. What need to
sir,
round
you did
into?
not write 1 after the 2 in the F sum.
Sorry?
You have to write 12, right? You only wrote 2.
Only 2 because 2, 1 will be carried here, na? Right?
Oh.
Okay. So what will this answer will be? This will be 0, 0. It will be 5. This will be 0. And this will be 8, right? It is approximately coming the same thing, right? Rounded to nearest 100, correct? What will this? Rounded to nearest 100 again, right? They want to find the nearest 100 only, right? Even if it is 48 or 68, does not matter, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
You write one more 0 here because it's 6 digit. I am putting one more 0, right? So what is the number? 1, 0, 0. What will be? Rounding number nearest 100. What will come? There are 5 digit only, right? 5 digit, 6 digit क्यों लिख दिया मैंने? Okay. So what will be here? The last 0 has to be there. What is the answer? 1, 0, 0, 8 rounded to nearest 100. What is the answer?
1, 0, 1, 0, 0.
Correct. Okay, what is the rounding number will be? 2, 9,
2, 9,
3,
4, 0, 0, right?
4, 0,
7.
4.
3, 0, 0, 0, 0.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Who बेटा?
Adya.
आद्या, क्यों नहीं समझ में आया बेटा?
Sir,
मेरे को
आपने
मेरे को ये नंबर को राउंडिंग टू नियरेस्ट 1000 करना है, 100 करना है. किसका? आई वॉन्ट टू डू दिस नंबर 10083. मेरे को क्या करना है? राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट 100. दैट मीन्स आई वॉन्ट टू मेक दिस 2 zeros. Yes,
yes.
I make it 0. I make it 0. What number I have to focus here?
8.
When I start making zeros, right?
Yes.
So 8 is what? Adult or a child digit?
Adult.
तो क्या हो जाएगा?
So it will give 1.
Correct. It will come 1 on this side. It is 10100. Khatam. Now we have another number 2, 3, 4, 7, 9. This is again I want to make 0, 0 here, right?
Yes.
So what is the number I have to focus?
7, which is adult.
तो क्या होगा? 29400. वही मैंने लिखा है, राइट?
Yes.
क्लियर?
हाँ.
वेरी गुड. चलो अभी आद्या एक ट्राई कर, अपने आप आ जाएगा, राइट?
Sir, after Adya, can I try?
Again, Rasa.
बेटा सबको तुम लोग को करने का ही है बेटा, ये मेरे को थोड़ी करना है.
Yay.
You only have to do it. I don't have to do it. You can do it in a book also, right? You start writing in a book. If you have any
Can
doubt,
we start writing now?
not necessary. You should write. You should not necessarily wait for me, right, to do it.
But sir, I'm not understanding how to do the adult digit one. I'm getting
अरे
confused.
एडल्ट लीड वाला ने तुमको कौन सा ऐड करने का ये देखो बेटा, राइट? What you have to do? What they ask for? What they ask for? Suppose I am writing this XXXX, right? Clear? I don't know the number, right? I am writing this XXXX, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब बताओ मेरे को क्या करने का है यहाँ पे? This number, what you need? Rounded to nearest 1000. 1000 means what I have to do?
You
Last
have
three
to say
zeros,
last
right?
3 digits. Yes.
Correct. Now from where is this number? Where are you starting from making it 0?
Third last.
तो कौन सा नंबर है? वो डिजिट क्या है?
0 and 4.
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पे
Okay.
this number, first number, which
3.
is the third digit from the right.
3.
3, right? 3 is the child digit or adult digit?
Child.
तो क्या करो, उसको इग्नोर कर दो. क्या हो गया? 21 हो गया, right?
0.
Nothing to do, just ignore and make 0. Now next number is what?
8. Adult.
27807, right? So you have to make 3 zeros, that is for sure.
But sir, it's an
000,
adult
sure.
digit.
So what it will become?
The other number was an adult.
28000, right? Now here what is the number?
Sir, how?
How? क्यों? तीसरा
Oh,
नंबर
sorry,
क्या है बेटा यहाँ पे? What is the third
Okay.
number?
So you have,
What is this number?
oh, sorry. An adult digit.
Right.
8.
What is the number here?
7.
So what this will become?
42000.
बेटा जिसको आता है बीच में नहीं बोलेगा बेटा, प्लीज. जिसको नहीं आता उसको करने दो. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Those who don't know, let them do it, please. Right? So here what we have? 0, 0, 0. All zeros. Then you have add the 1 and then all of this add 9. Okay? This is 91,000. Clear?
Sir.
Clear? This is by the rounding number. Now do the actual one. What is the actual one?
Sir, the actual on the left to right or right to left? Left
Very
to
good. Okay, right to left, left to right, whatever you want to do it. I am writing this. Okay, you want to do right to left, I am okay with it.
6. I'm doing left to right. 6.
Nice. 6 कैसे आएगा? There are 3-digit number. How? Left to right or right to left?
Left to right कर रही हूँ.
नहीं, right left to right में तो 8 तो पहले ही है. 6 कैसे आएगा? 2 plus 2 plus 4.
Oh, sorry. मैंने I saw 2. I
अच्छा
didn't
चलो
see.
anyway. 14 लेकिन wait है. 14
Yeah.
14 plus 5 19.
19.
1 carry over. This will
Yes,
be
sir.
9 plus 1 0. 1 carry over. 17.
17.
What is it?
7.
18,
1 carry.
18 plus 1 19. Again 0.
0. And then
1
the
carry over. It is 10. Again 0. And this will be 9.
and
Clear?
okay, sir.
Done? Now this is the word problem. I kept it for you. They are the easy ones. Okay. Chalo, who wants to try it? Okay. Let me select one person from here. Ivana, Mishka, Rasya. Chalo. Read the question number 6.
Aditya purchased a bag of rupees 378 and a t-shirt for rupees
T-shirt किधर
600.
है?
Shirt, sorry. And shirt for rupees 636. Estimate to the nearest 100 the total money spent by him on both the items.
Very good. तो क्या शर्ट कितने का एस्टिमेट करेगी बेटा? What is the estimation of shirt? Background noise नहीं. बन्या, रसिया.
So nearest 100 so from 3, right?
हाँ.
3 is a child digit.
ना 3 कैसे? 100 में कितना जीरो आता है बेटा?
Oh, 2, okay.
हाँ.
Then
What it will become?
380.
अरे नियरेस्ट क्या करना है? था 100 करना है ना बेटा? नियरेस्ट 100 करोगे ना? So it will become 400 plus this 638 will become what? 600. What is? This is 1000. Correct? It's the estimation, right? Hello, background noise बंद करो. Parents. This is actually will be 378 plus 636. This is actual, right? So when you do actual, what will happen? 6 plus 8, 14 plus carry over, 3 plus 7, 10 plus 1, 14, and then 9 plus 14 will be, 10 will be, no, sorry, 10 plus 1, 11, huh? So 1 will carry over 1400. This is actual one, right? Correct? Understood?
Yeah.
Chalo, next, Vanya, read beta.
Anand has rupees 500. He wants to buy a dictionary for 2,274 and a novel for 185. Does he have enough money?
Very good. तो पहले क्या करो? राउंडिंग करके चेक करोगे?
Yes, sir.
Very good. राउंडिंग करके करेंगे तो क्या होएगा? राउंडिंग करके करोगे तो कैसे चेक करोगे बेटा?
300 minus 200.
माइनस क्यों करेगी बेटा? अवनी
300 plus 200.
300 plus 200, right? Because you are buying a book and novel both, right? 300 and 200. Both are rounding up, which is coming to exact 500, right? So now check the actual one, right? To find this, you have to check the actual one, ना? कभी कम ना पड़ जाए. 74 plus, because you have to give actual money to them, right?
Yes.
So 185, rounding just to check whether you have enough or not. 185. What will you answer? This is 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 7, 5. 15. Carry over 3 and 8, 4. Right? This is actual one, right?
Yes, sir.
आ जाएगा उसके पास बुक?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he can buy, right? Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear, everyone? How do you estimate and then actual work? See here, when you say estimate, the estimation also in the second question, for fifth question, estimation also came little higher and actual also came higher, right? So that's why he cannot buy here. Here he can buy. Clear? Okay. Chalo. Now this is similar thing to this. This is for subtraction. Same way. Chalo, subtract करके करो. Avni. Avni.
Yes, sir.
If you have to talk to at your home or with your mom, leave the class. You can go through the recording. I don't want absolutely no noise. Keep your video mic on. Spruha. Mic on रख बेटा.
Yes, sir.
Why you joined late?
Sir, I went out.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Spruha, I am writing here. Spruha.
there.
Okay. चलो. Next. Okay. Now this is what you do. Difference to nearest tens and find the actual difference, right? Nearest 10 में कैसे करोगे? How will you do it? Who will do it? चलो, I'll do one by one. I'll give chance to Vidhi. Next is yours. Nearest 10 पे करो. बेटा क्या आएगा? 956. Nearest 10. Quick.
Sir, the actual
एक्चुअल नहीं चाहिए. पहले राउंडिंग जो पूछ रहा हूँ वो बताओ बेटा. उसी ऑर्डर बताओ जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
ठीक है. 956 का नियरेस्ट टेंथ हो जाएगा 960
माइनस
minus 440
440. तो क्या आएगा आंसर?
520.
Very good. 520. Correct. And what is the actual one?
517.
517. I am not checking. 16 में से 9 गया, 7 ठीक है, 1 बराबर है. करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, इट्स अ करेक्ट आंसर. चलो नेक्स्ट. हु इज डूइंग नेक्स्ट? ओके.
Sir, Adya.
सबका देखो, सबका नंबर आएगा. स्प्रूहा इज नॉट. स्प्रूहा,
Yes, sir.
everybody will get the number. चलो, round to nearest 10.
Sir,
650.
650 only.
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ था
650 because ये ऑलरेडी राउंडिंग नंबर, राइट? उसको और कैसे राउंड करो? यहाँ पे इट विल बी.
Sir, it will be 310.
ठीक है, चलो, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. व्हाट इज आंसर? 350,
Answer
right?
is 350.
Okay, and what is the actual one?
The answer is 4.
4 आएगा.
नहीं.
नो प्रॉब्लम, आराम से करके बोलो. Those who have finished. हाँ, क्या आएगा बेटा?
351.
351. वेरी गुड. ठीक है.
Sir,
यस.
Vidhi has a doubt.
क्या डाउट है बेटा?
सर, जो आपने नियरेस्ट टेंथ वाले में आपने उसमें फर्स्ट ए और बी वाला किया है ना सर, वो रॉन्ग है ना?
क्यों?
क्योंकि सर उसमें तो 35 का नियरेस्ट तो 40 होगा एस्टिमेट में. तो
नहीं, एस्टिमेट तो मैं इंडिविजुअल कर रहा हूँ ना बेटा. फर्स्ट एस्टिमेट इंडिविजुअल करो, राइट? व्हाट दे आस्क यू इज इंडिविजुअल ईच एस्टिमेट, राइट?
हाँ,
तो ईच का, इसका 53 का एस्टिमेट 50 किया, 18 का 20 किया. इसका थोड़ी आंसर का थोड़ी एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग, राइट?
हाँ,
हम तो इंडिविजुअल को एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं, राइट?
यस.
चलो नेक्स्ट कौन है? ओके,
सर,
लेट
मैं करूँ?
everybody will give chance. Beta, wait. Okay, Ivan, next. I'll give everybody chance. I'm checking who is not got the chance, right?
3620.
Very good. Minus
1300.
क्यों?
No, 1 2. Wait. 1290.
Okay. Next. Okay. 0.
3
Hmm.
4.
4 आएगा।
हाँ,
4 किया ना राइट
नहीं,
साइड में।
3.
हाँ 2 राइट।
2.
व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल वन? व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल वन?
2.
राइट से कर रहा है लेफ्ट से कर रहा है?
लेफ्ट.
ओके गुड। 2
2. 3.
ठीक है
3.
3 कैसे आएगा? 2 आएगा, राइट से बोरोइंग है ना। करेक्ट, राइट से बोरोइंग है ना, तो 10 हो जाएगा राइट। So that is where if you don't understand how to do left to right, do it right to left, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है राइट। चलो नेक्स्ट इज जीवन आ गया, वन्य क्या हो गया, विहान हो गया, अवनी।
Yes, sir.
चलो राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट 10।
Sir, it's 8,000 and 8900.
हाँ
Sorry, 8920.
क्यों 20?
Because it's a adult digit. It's a adult
तो 2
digit.
कैसे हो जाएगा? पहले बाजू में नंबर कौन सा है?
No. Sir, 6 will turn into 0
हाँ
and 0 will turn into 2.
2 कैसे हो जाएगा?
Sorry, 1.
हाँ नेक्स्ट।
5 will turn into 0. The other 5 will turn into 6.
करेक्ट,
Yes, sir.
0 हो गया। यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 7।
7. 2 minutes, sir. 13. 1 carry over there. 9.
करेक्ट,
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे करो, क्या आएगा?
It will come 11.
11 डायरेक्ट।
Yes, because sir, I had done the calculation.
अच्छा कर दिया है, हाँ बोल। 1 1
It will come 1. 11 आएगा उसमें.
क्या हो गया? एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन कर दिया तो नहीं आएगा?
13. Sorry, 3, only 3. Then that will come 6. And then it will come 1. Last.
करेक्ट, इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
10. Yes, sir.
ठीक है चलो नेक्स्ट, दिस इज डन।
Sir,
यस।
I have a doubt.
हूँ बेटा।
आधा.
हाँ क्या डाउट है बेटा?
सर, आपने प्लस किया है कि माइनस?
हाँ शाबाश, वेरी गुड। क्या हो गया विधि?
सर,
अपना
देखिए तो थोड़ी जगह पे प्लस है.
एक सेकंड डार्लिंग, एक सेकंड रुक जा। ठीक है, कहाँ गई अवनी?
यस सर.
क्या किया तूने बेटा?
I've done a mistake.
मालूम नहीं? तू बता
मुझे भी नहीं.
करना क्या है तेरे को?
I had to subtract.
तूने क्या किया
Add.
और मैंने क्या किया?
Add.
वेरी गुड। तो दोनों गलत राइट।
हाँ.
यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
5.
फिर यहाँ पे
5.
पाएगा। राइट साइड में कैरी नहीं किया उसने,
Oh, sorry,
फॉलो नहीं किया।
But sir, the digit is 4.
हाँ तो 4 है ना, तो 9 माइनस 4
Oh, हाँ, sorry.
होगा ना, यहाँ तो 8 होगा ना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोरो हो जाएगा राइट। तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
कहाँ?
इट विल बी 6 माइनस 5 1, दिस विल बी 5,
4.
this will be
क्या करें?
4 and this will be 6।
Only one number difference.
ठीक है क्लियर? वो क्या रहा है उसको टेंशन मत लो राइट। चलो नेक्स्ट, हु इज देयर? श्रुहा
हाँ सर.
बोला।
मेरा हो गया है।
एवरीबडी विल डू। हाँ हो गया तो बताना बेटा मेरे को, ऐसे मेरा नहीं हुआ है। आई हैव नॉट डन इट, तो प्लीज हेल्प मी टू सॉल्व।
सर मैं बताऊं?
नहीं बेटा,
सर आप
तो तुम लोग
दोगे?
अपने बुक में कर लो। तो अपने बुक में रेडी रखो, आंसर रेडी रखो, हियर एक एक जन करेगा, राइट? तो आई विल मेक श्योर दैट हाउ दे आर डूइंग। Sruha, read the question.
5, 6, 7, 2 minus
बेटा
2.
फाइव, नहीं नहीं नहीं, रीड द फर्स्ट हेडिंग। क्या लिखा है, करना क्या है?
Estimate each difference to the nearest hundred. Also find the actual difference.
ओके, तो क्या आएगा?
5,
क्या आएगा यहाँ पे?
5, 6, 8, 0.
5 6 है। क्या करना है तेरे को? 5 6 8 0, ये नियरेस्ट 100 है क्या?
नहीं,
इज इट नियरेस्ट 100? इज इट नियरेस्ट 100, यस और नो?
no.
तो क्या होना चाहिए? व्हाट इट शुड बी?
It should be
100 में कितना जीरो आता बेटा?
2.
राइट। किसको फोकस करना है तेरे को? 5 6 7 2 में किसको फोकस करना है? व्हाट यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन?
0.
कौन सा जीरो, है ही नहीं उसमें। देयर इज नो जीरो हियर, राइट?
हाँ sir.
So from where you start making it zero?
From the last two digits.
Correct. So which digit you have to focus on?
7 and 2.
7 only, not 2. Only 7. From where you start? कहाँ से बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रहा है अवनी?
Yes, sir.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Where they constantly at the background?
Mama.
तेरा हेडफोन लगा है बेटा, सबका हेडफोन नहीं लगा है। Okay, so you have to focus only on 7, not 2 is not required, right? From where you start making it 0, right?
Yes
So
sir.
7 you just have to do it is become 5 7 0 0, right?
Yes
Now
sir.
here what you need to focus on? Only 8, right? So what will become?
3 0 0 0.
क्यों 3 0 0 0?
क्योंकि last digit should be 0.
Last digit तो 0 है. Which digit you need to focus on?
On 8.
8 is the adult or this thing? कौन सा digit है 8?
Adult.
तो adult तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? What you need to do? Add 1 to the left hand side. चलो ऐड करो।
May I go to the washroom?
यस बेटा जाओ। करेक्ट। चलो ऐड करो नॉर्मल टर्म में।
Sir, subtract.
हाँ सॉरी, सबट्रैक्ट। ठीक है, सबट्रैक्ट करो तो क्या आएगा? 6 और इट विल बी 2, करेक्ट। चलो
Yes sir.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या आएगा?
Uh, 2.
2 कैसे आएगा? हाउ यू गेट 2? यू आर टेकिंग लेफ्ट टू राइट और राइट टू लेफ्ट?
Left to right.
ओके ठीक है। चलो 2 फिर
6.
6 कैसे आएगा?
Not 6.
इफ यू डोंट नो हाउ
5.
टू लुक एट द राइट, राइट में बोरो हो रहा है, राइट 7 and 8 है, सो इट विल बिकम 5 लेस 1। हियर इट विल बी व्हाट? 17
9.
minus 8 9, but the right side is borrowing, so it will come 8 8, right? And here it will come 7. If you don't know how to do left to right, please do right to left. I am okay, I should not get the wrong answer. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Chalo, who is next now? Let me see who is not done.
Sir, Vihan.
विहान ने पहले किया था। चलो हाँ विहान बोल। चलो लेट्स डू इट हियर। बोलो बेटा, क्या करेगा?
85100.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। 85100,
00.
yes.
4 41400.
41.
41400.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी नाइस. इसको बोलते हैं अटेंशन स्पैन. वेरी नाइस. आई पुट 0 हियर. दिस विल ऑर्डर. यहाँ क्या आएगा?
7.
वेरी गुड. उसके बाद
3.
वेरी गुड. उसके बाद
3. सर 3.
3 क्यों आएगा? बोरो थोड़ी कर रहा है. 3 क्यों आएगा? इस 5 - 1 तो सीधा हो गया ना. 4 - 1 किया 3 हो गया ना. यहाँ तो थोड़ी थोड़ी बोरो गया, राइट. चलो यहाँ पे क्या होगा एक्चुअल में? राइट टू लोअर और लेफ्ट टू राइट?
राइट टू लेफ्ट.
वेरी गुड. चलो राइट टू लेफ्ट करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
5. 5.
5 कैसे आएगा बेटा? 3 - 7 कितना होता है? नहीं होता, राइट. तो 13 - 7 क्या करेगा? 6, राइट. तो यहाँ से एक बोरो हो गया, तो यहाँ पे हो गया 8. दिस विल बिकम 18. 18 - 9 9. फिर यहाँ पे बोरो हो गया तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे बोरो तो कर नहीं सकता. 10 - 9 तो 9 - 3 विल बी 6. यहाँ पे बोरो हो गया तो 5 - 1 - 1, तो इट विल बिकम 3 एंड दिस विल बी 4. क्लियर है?
सर
ठीक है. चलो नेक्स्ट कौन है अभी? लास्ट वन. ओके रसिया.
3 4
3 4. वो सुन रहा हूँ मैडम मैं. 3 4
9
9 0 0. नेक्स्ट.
1 8 नहीं 2 0 0.
ओके. सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 0. 7 आ गया यहाँ पे.
6
हम्म
1.
वेरी गुड. ओके. एक्चुअल वन.
I'll do it right to left.
हाँ
Right to left.
चलेगा. ओके. व्हाट विल बी?
1 second. 2
हम्म
नाम जरा.
बेटा बहुत सिंपल है. इसको लेफ्ट टू राइट करना है, तुमको लिखना नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ओके.
7.
7 कैसे आएगा?
नहीं wait 1 second.
ये बहुत नॉनसेंस.
So can I do it in the book?
नहीं, क्यों जरूरत है? इधर 11 हो गया, राइट. यहाँ पे
हाँ.
2 की जगह 1 हो गया, तो इट विल
Yeah.
बिकम 11 - 7 4. देन यू ऑलरेडी बोरोड 1, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 8. 8 - 1 7. एक एक करके करना है ना. क्यों वाई और डू हरी? यहाँ तो किसी से कुछ बोरो नहीं किया, तो यहाँ पे क्या? 14 - 8 विल बी 6,
6.
राइट. यह बोरोड, तो 2 - 1 1. सिंपल चीजें करना है. इतना क्यों बुक की क्यों जरूरत है? मेंटल कब करोगे बेटा? बूढ़े हो जाओगे तभी. हाँ
Now.
यू सी आई एम टेकिंग ओनली वन. सी आई एम सॉल्विंग इट हियर. यहाँ पे चेक करो. ओके आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर. आंसर्स, एनी आंसर आई एम टेकिंग, राइट. आई एम टेकिंग फ्रॉम द आंसर फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वन, राइट. Just see how I am doing it. Correct? Just look at this, what I am doing. I am focusing only on one part right now, right? 7 - 7, 0. Correct? I can do it. यहाँ पे 0 - 9, I cannot do it. So I have to borrow from here. I am focusing only on one part right now. So 10 - 9 will be 1. Because I borrow 1 here, it will become 7. 7 - 1, yes, I can do 6. Now, since I have not borrowed, 7 - 8 I cannot do. So 17 - 8 I will do what? 9. करेक्ट. एंड 1 - 1 0. खत्म हो गया, काम खत्म. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? वेयर इज द इश्यू? Correct? Here also. Okay. 5 minus 6, you cannot do it. It will become 15 minus 6. It will become 9. Now here, there are two zeros. So it will become 10 and 10 will become 9. Here also 10 and 10 will become 9 and this will become 5, right? So here I say 9 minus, this is all from 9, last from 10. You remember? I told you this. Correct? So it is
Yeah.
10 because it is borrowing here. So it will become 9. This also become 9. This will become what? 16. 16 is not there because 5 is already given. So 15 minus 9 will be 6. And then 4 minus 3 will be 1. 1 minus 1 because it is 1 borrowed, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now estimate, you want to do it? What I am doing? Listen, everybody is solved, so I am solving it myself,
So
right?
1 second.
Everybody is solved, so I am solving on my own right now.
So can you hear me?
Sorry, what?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Who is this?
Russia.
Rasya, I can hear you, right? Listen here. What I am doing, I am rounding it, right? What is rounding it? Rounding to nearest 1000. So I want to have 3 zeros. So what is the 30? I have to focus only on 8 right now. So it will become 18000. Now here nearest 1000, I should focus on 1. So it will become what? 8000, right? Because it is 1, I have to ignore this number, right? Now when I subtract this, what will happen? It will become 10,000. 18,000 minus 8,000 become 10,000. Similarly, I'll put it here. See, it is simple way I am doing it. I am not doing here. What I should focus on? I should focus on nearest thousands. I should focus on 0. It is what? 46. Because 0 is already a number which is a small digit, which is a child digit. I'm just putting a 0 here. Now I have to focus on 4. There is also a child digit. What I'll do? 39000. Now subtract this. It will become 000. This will become 16 minus 46 minus 39. What is 46 minus 39 will be? Or 6 minus 16 minus 9 will be 7. हो गया आंसर खत्म, right? हाँ, very good. चलो, this one. Okay, now I'll go as per the roll number, right? Adya. First it will be Adya. Then Advai नहीं है, Avni. Then Ivan. Okay, roll number wise I'll ask everyone. चलो, come on, फटाफट. Okay, Adya. Adya. Is Adya there?
Yes, sir.
कितना टाइम? 4 बार बुलाया, सो गई थी क्या?
नहीं, sir.
फिर मिश्का, keep your mic and video on.
Sir, the D1.
D1. What it says? What is the question says?
Estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest 10.
Very good. तो पहले क्या आएगा?
First it will be 60 multiplied by 60.
तो कितना आएगा?
3600.
Very good. Clear everyone?
Yes.
चलो. Next. Roll number Avni.
Yes, sir.
बोलो. What is the question? ऊपर पढ़ो. Question में क्या पूछा है?
Estimate each number of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest hundreds.
Very good. पहले क्या आएगा?
A1, right?
A हो गया ना, C है. A भी तो solve हो गया है.
Oh,
Question है ना?
solve किया, sir. Okay. C. 400. 300. 7,000.
हैं?
Sorry. 7.
क्या कर रही है बेटा तू? ऑपरेशन कौन सा है?
Multiplication.
तो 7 होएगा?
नहीं, 12.
12 and 1 2 3 0. इसको राउंड अप कर दो. 0 0 सर 4 0 लिख दो. मेरे को नहीं चाहिए 1,20,000 है, 12,000 है, 120 करोड़ है, अपने वो नहीं चाहिए, राइट? चलो नेक्स्ट, अवनी के बाद कौन है? इवान।
Yes.
चलो बोलो।
The D1.
हम्म
300 into 300 equal to 9,000.
क्यों लिखना है? मैंने बोला ना अभी 9,000 नहीं चाहिए मेरे को। मैंने बोला 9 के बाद ये 9,000 हो गया। कितना जीरो लगना चाहिए था? कितना जीरो लगना चाहिए था?
4,
और तूने कितना जीरो लगाया 9,000 में?
3.
अरे रॉन्ग हो गया। मैंने कहा 9 and 4 zeros बोल दो ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, राइट? आई डोंट वांट टू टेस्ट योर नंबर नेम। इवान के बाद कौन है? इवान के बाद है मिश्का। मिश्का,
Yes, sir.
रेट द हेडिंग। रेट द क्वेश्चन 3 हेडिंग।
Estimate each of the following products by rounding off the first number upwards and the second number downwards.
वेरी गुड, समझ में आया?
नहीं.
अपवर्ड राउंडिंग करोगे तो क्या आएगा? गो टू डैडी, एंड डाउनवर्ड मतलब कम टू मम्मी। ठीक है,
Okay.
करो।
आपने बोला आ जाओ 3 बजे तक।
व्हाट इट विल कम? 355 will go where?
55 will go. The daddy?
यस, अपवर्ड लिखा है ना उसने।
नहीं
हाँ.
समझा क्या करूं?
And 450
बेटा
will go
फर्स्ट यू
downward.
ना एक को करो ना खत्म। 355 what will happen? First you tell me.
355 400.
Very good, 400. Now you go to 450. Where it will go?
400? No.
Why there is a question mark at the
500.
background? 400. Right? Because 400 and 1500 के बीच में है, so it will go to mama, right? Downward, right?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
16,000.
वापस इतनी बार बोला, नहीं समझ रहे तुम लोग यार। How many times I have to tell you? 16 and how many zeros I have to put?
2.
Why 2? How many total zeros are there? How many total zeros are in the number question?
4.
So, correct?
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट, मिश्का के बाद कौन है? रसिया।
So 300 multiplied by, this will go to mother. 140.
बेटा
100.
टू करना है ना बेटा, राउंडेड टू 100 करना है, राइट?
Yes.
हाँ, क्या आएगा? इतना टाइम रसिया? इससे इजी क्वेश्चन हो ही नहीं सकता कोई भी।
Sir, it will be 400. नहीं. 4 and
4 कैसे आएगा बेटा? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर एडिंग? आर यू एडिंग इट?
oh.
Ignore the zeros, just see the non-zero numbers. What do
Sir,
you do?
I can't hear you.
Beta, I said ignore the zeros and just check the other number. 3 multiplied by 1 will be what?
Sir, I
3.
can't hear you.
Rejoin. Okay, let me write on the chat.
What happened?
It will be right in the chat.
वो तो समझ नहीं आया।
चलो ठीक है. So this is clear. Now here. Okay, who is there after this? Who is after Rasya? Rishit is not there. Vanya. Vanya, then Vidhi, then Vihan. Okay, Vanya, Vidhi, Vihan, then Spruha. चलो वन्या
Yes, sir.
रीड करो ई वाला जो ब्लैंक है.
2
अरे रीड करो मेरी जान. नंबर सम नंबर राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट 1000. क्या करना है?
nearest 1000.
नियरेस्ट 1000 में सबसे पहले क्या डाल देगी?
3 zeros.
वेरी गुड गर्ल, वेरी नाइस वन्या. पहले 30 डाल दो, उसके बाद सोचो क्या करने का. राइट, फ्रॉम वेर यू स्टार्ट द जीरोस. तो तुम्हारे कौन सा डिजिट इंपॉर्टेंट है?
9 2 and 9.
9 इंपॉर्टेंट है.
9 6 4 6 4 3.
6 इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ से चालू कर रहे हैं. राइट, 4 3 का कोई मतलब नहीं. 6 4 3 3 है, 699 है, 685 है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. 6 is important because 6 will decide what need to do. Right, 6 is a which digit? Adult or child?
Adult.
तो क्या करेगा?
We will add 1.
तो क्या होएगा?
30.
वेरी गुड, क्योंकि 9 है तो उसके पास भी जगह नहीं है, उसका भी पेट फुल है, तो उसको पास करेगा आगे 30. राइट, चलो नेक्स्ट विधि.
Yes, sir.
रीड क्वेश्चन.
Sir, 99834 rounded to nearest 1000 is.
तो पहले क्या
So,
करेगी?
Sir, I will write means 3 zeros.
वेरी गुड. फिर किसको फोकस करेगी?
Sir, I will focus on 8,
वेरी गुड. तो क्या होएगा?
10.
फिर यहाँ क्या लिखो?
Sir, 100.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है, वेरी नाइस. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. चलो, दिस इज राउंडेड टू विच नियरेस्ट नंबर. ओके, विहान. विहान,
Yes, sir.
क्या लिखा है? लिस्ट ऑल द नंबर विच इज राउंडेड टू. टेंस है, टेंस है. ये वाला क्या है? ये भी टेंस है. राइट,
Sir.
और ये भी टेंस है. करेक्ट है.
Sir.
चलो, अब नीचे वाला थोड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो नीचे वाला चेक करो. नीचे वाला इज वेरी गुड एक्सरसाइज. राइट, देयर आई टोल्ड यू विच वन यू हैव टू चेक. राइट, यहाँ पे क्या है? राउंडिंग द नियरेस्ट 100. उसमें क्या लिखा है? 900 है, विच विल बी 850 to 800. It is less than 900, which will come to 900. Correct. On the higher side, it will be 901 to 949, which will come to 900. Clear? So here what will happen? 1400 600 में 14,600 nearest 100. Which will number will come to the nearest number? हाँ, 100 है ना?
Yes.
50 माइनस करो, क्या आएगा? 14550. करेक्ट.
Yes.
और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? एक नंबर लेस. बहुत सिंपल है. 1 4.
449.
अरे 4 कहाँ से? 599 आएगा ना, इससे एक नंबर से छोटा. राइट, 4 कहाँ से आएगा? 4 तो आएगा नहीं इसमें राउंडिंग में. यहाँ पे इसके बाद का एक नंबर 14601. राइट,
Yes.
एंड 14649.
Sir,
Right?
you wrote 16.
ओके, क्लियर.
Yes.
सेम वे हियर. चलो विहान, बोल क्या आएगा? नियरेस्ट 1000. सो 1000 में क्या? 500 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. राइट, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
तो 500 माइनस करें तो व्हाट विल गिव विहान? 16,000 minus 500 minus.
15500.
Very good. 15500. Right. Then it is very simple. 15999. Right. Then what is the answer here? इसके पहले this middle number is very easy. right? And here 16499. Correct? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Yes, sir, I am understanding.
The last,
Very
the
good.
relation.
Very good. चलो यहाँ पे मैं लेता हूँ. First, I will take this is a rounding number, right? This is under rounding number, right? You have to find ऐसे कौन से नंबर है. Suppose I am rating 100 rupees, right? This is a rounding number. चलो मैं ले लो 400, right?
Okay.
Which are the number which will rounded this to 400? बाउंड्री. अभी अभी क्या बच्चा मिल गया, राइट? अपने को मम्मी डैडी ढूंढना है उसका, राइट? करेक्ट.
Yes.
This is a mother. I have already found. They have one elder kid and one smaller kid, which will both will come to the mummy, right?
Yes.
ठीक है. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Which number will be rounded? Suppose if I take 301, I'm just giving you 301 कहाँ rounded होगा?
300.
तो ये तो नहीं होगा. Okay. 341.
300.
Very good. 351.
400.
वेरी गुड. तो अभी ये मिल गया ना. अच्छा, इसकी मम्मी है. देखो यहाँ पे चेक करो कौन सा नंबर. 351 आ गया. अब 350 करो.
400.
349.
300.
वेरी गुड. तो ये गया. तो ये तुम्हारा लोएस्ट नंबर होगा. इसके बाद जितने भी नंबर है 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 354, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 360, 370, 380, all will go to 400. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
करेक्ट. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे जाओ. हाईएस्ट नंबर क्या होगा? विच इज
49.
450 किया तो क्या जाएगा? वो 500 पे जाएगा. तो ये नहीं चलेगा. क्या आएगा? 440.
449.
करेक्ट. सो हाउ डिड आई डू इट? 400 में एक ट्रिक बताता हूँ तुमको, राइट? आई विल ट्रिक. दिस इज राउंडेड टू 100. सो क्या करो? यहाँ पे 50-50 डिवाइड कर दो. 50 माइनस करो, 50 प्लस करो, राइट? तो सपोज नाउ व्हाट यू हैव हियर राउंडेड टू नियरेस्ट 1000. तो 1000 में क्या करो? 500 प्लस करो, 500 माइनस करो, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. तो ये 1 लाख में से 500 माइनस करेगा तो क्या आएगा? इफ यू माइनस 500 व्हाट विल हैपन? 99500, राइट?
Yes.
एंड व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट नंबर वुड बी? उसको 500 ऐड करो. 500 ऐड करो तो क्या आएगा? 100500, राइट? लेकिन 500 जाएगा तो ऊपर जाएगा तो उसमें एक माइनस करने का लास्ट ऊपर वाला, राइट? क्लियर?
499.
और नीचे वाला तो बहुत इजी है. नीचे वाला इज वेरी इजी. बीच वाला इज वेरी इजी. का? बिकॉज यू टू जस्ट subtract 1 from here, which is 9999, right? 9999. कितने? 5 9 आएंगे, राइट? Then higher will be 10100. How many zeros are there? 4 5. Correct?
Yes.
1 lakh and 1 to 1 lakh 499, right? So what I did? 400 plus and 500 plus and 500 minus. चलो next here. 1 minute. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh.
Sir.
Oh,
Sir.
Yes, बोलो.
he said,
This one can Vidhi do?
हाँ बोलो. चलो अभी ये खत्म ही होगा. लास्ट ही बेटा. दिस इज लास्ट वन.
Sir, the D answer is 925.
Yes, 925 because 849 will go to 800
Yes.
and 963 will go to 1000, correct?
1000. Yes.
They are do.
बराबर करो, सबको करने का बेटा, इसमें कुछ नहीं करने का, इसमें बहुत ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगता।
7 sir for E 7
अरे
7
बोलो लास्ट में ये भी खत्म कर दो करके, क्या है मैं करूँ?
7
Sir can one year.
7
अरे अरे कर दो ना बेटा, बोल दो 777 आ गया देखो।
Sir 439. Sir
439.
439. 4398.
हो गया, अभी सबका बोल के हो गया टाइम, राइट? क्लियर एवरीवन? ठीक है,
Sir,
देखो
you
अभी
called the whole estimation का this only with us.
Yes, correct,
whole
बेटा,
chapter.
whole
Exercise.
chapter, right? So I have done it with the
question bag is left. No, इसमें
I have
question
done,
bag is.
sorry,
Sir,
there's no question bag,
question bag in this.
नहीं है, क्वेश्चन बैंक नहीं है यहाँ पे, क्वेश्चन बैंक नहीं है, ओनली दिस मच, राइट? इट इज ऑल डन, पूरा खत्म हो गया, राइट? एस्टिमेशन, ठीक है, बिकॉज आई वांट टू कवर राउंडिंग, और मैंने इसका वर्कशीट भी दिया है। कैन यू सी द वर्कशीट?
No. No, sir.
Sir, I've seen it.
सीन इट, मेरे वर्कशीट देखो, मैंने वर्कशीट डाला है राउंडिंग का, इट इज वेरी इजी वर्कशीट,
Sir, बहुत easy है.
दैट इज वाई
Sir, आपने वो लास्ट ईयर राउंडिंग अप राउंड डाउन वाले दी थी.
राउंड अप और राउंड ही दिया था, लेकिन मेरे पास, ठीक है, जस्ट सी हियर राउंडिंग वाला फ्रैक्शन अभी मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में लूंगा ऑन नवंबर 1st, राइट? और क्लास विल बी नवंबर 1st। फ्रैक्शन बहुत इजी है, ठीक है, तो एस्टिमेट, हाँ बोल बेटा।
14 नवंबर को क्लास है.
14 नवंबर को, 14 नंबर अपना है
क्लास.
अरे 14 नवंबर फ्राइडे है।
अच्छा, ओके.
क्यों 14 नवंबर को क्या है?
सर, your voice is low.
Yes, sir.
14 नवंबर को क्या है? व्हाट इज देयर ऑन 14 नवंबर?
Yes, my bad. Yes. Sir, actually we have a trip, so I thought it was Saturday.
ठीक है, चलो, आई गिवन यू वर्कशीट, यू सॉल्व दिस वर्कशीट, ओके? एवरीबॉडी हैप्पी दिवाली, बाय बाय, सी यू।
Bye bye, sir.